So this is the Dragonfly hotel. It's got the bathroom just in here. More shower. Got a full-length mirror there. Chair. Hanging up space. The bed. Coffee and TV. Oh, into rooms as well. Hopefully it's locked. What's my view like? Oh, main road. It's not a bad price. It's about £45–50 a night. There's all my junk over in the corner. So the mattress is a bit big for the bed. Unless it's been pushed over. Yeah, it's a bit wonky. Bed looks cosy. And a menu. That opens up some more. What have we got here? Very nice.
Don't worry. This is the Dragonfly hotel where I'm staying at Bury St Edmunds. I've already checked in earlier in the day, but I didn't get time to film it, so I've just popped out for a drink before I can take a shower. Hit the sack ready for tomorrow. Seems like a lot of workers use this place. It's a nice hotel, but there's a lot of workers, a lot of worker vans in the car park.